Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cars Wars Pack. Today, we're diving into all the exciting updates about the 2025 Kia Sorento, one of the most versatile and stylish SUVs on the market. Kia has really stepped up their game with this model, offering a blend of power, efficiency, and technology that will appeal to anyone looking for a well-rounded family vehicle. The 2025 Kia Sorento comes with multiple powertrain options, including a hybrid and plug-in hybrid, making it one of the most eco-friendly choices in its segment. Whether you're looking for a fuel-efficient daily driver or a vehicle with the power to take on longer trips, the Sorento has you covered. The hybrid option delivers impressive fuel economy without compromising on performance, while the plug-in hybrid offers a great balance of electric range and gas mileage, perfect for anyone who wants to minimize their carbon footprint. One of the standout features of the 2025 Sorento is its technology. Kia has equipped the Sorento with the latest in-car tech, including a 12.3-inch digital display, which adds a modern and luxurious touch to the cabin. The Evo connected services keep you in touch with your car from anywhere, while Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration make it easier than ever to stay connected while on the go. Whether you're navigating the city or heading out on an adventure, the technology inside the Sorento makes it a true standout in the midsize SUV category. Inside, the 2025 Kia Sorento offers a spacious and comfortable cabin, with seating for up to 7 passengers. The third-row seating makes it an excellent choice for larger families, and the versatility of the interior allows you to configure the seats for maximum cargo space when needed. With premium materials throughout the cabin and an updated design, the Sorento offers a luxury-like experience without the luxury price tag. Safety has also been a major focus for Kia. The Sorento comes standard with a suite of driver assist features, including forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist, which give you peace of mind every time you hit the road. The addition of Kia's Co-Pilot 360 suite means that the Sorento has you covered with even more safety tech designed to prevent accidents before they happen. When it comes to looks, the 2025 Kia Sorento doesn't disappoint. With its bold, sleek design, it's clear that Kia has crafted an SUV that's both stylish and functional. The passion red color really stands out, giving the Sorento a sporty, energetic feel, while other color options like ebony black and glacial white pearl offer a more refined, elegant appearance. So, whether you're after power, technology, or style, the 2025 Kia Sorento has something for everyone. It's a perfect blend of all the things you want in a family SUV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.